At 10 tonight, understanding Arizona's response to coronavirus from someone who knows the ins and outs like very few do.
Wendy Smith-Reeve recently stepped down as our state's Director of Emergency Management. She's now agreed to provide insight and analysis exclusively for ABC 15. Tonight, Danielle Lerner speaking with her about the growing concerns on the Navajo Nation.
The situation on the Navajo Nation is really unprecedented.
A powerful perspective coming from former Director of Arizona Division of Emergency Management and ABC 15 analyst Wendy Smith-Reeve, as new data shows the number of COVID-19 cases on the Navajo Nation jumped by 115 in just 2 days, now at 813 cases and 28 deaths. More than 65% of those cases are in Arizona. Sobering statistics that carry even more weight when it comes to funneling resources and help to those who need it most.
You need to characterize what your capability is and how the current environment is exceeding that capability. So those statistics and those details are critical.
Smith-Reeve can't say for sure why the numbers are so dire, but says multi-generational housing and large gatherings before the virus was well known may have played a role. The requests for support now funneling through county, state, and federal entities.
You look for who is your closest neighbor that could possibly provide the resources that you need.
The National Guard already stepping in to transport critical supplies, much like it did back in 2010 when flooding from snowmelt cut off access to some areas.
Every day is evolving. It's just a matter of getting the ground truth from the communities as to what is working, what is not working, and then how do you adjust collectively as a group.
On Monday night, Navajo Nation President Jonathan Nez said they saw good results with the 57-hour curfew this past weekend. Still, more than 100 citations issued. Meanwhile, they're hopeful rapid COVID-19 test kits can speed up diagnosis and treatment. But only time will tell if steps like these are enough to stop the spread.
The members of the Navajo Nation are also citizens of Arizona, and so we are all here together to support one another and to provide whatever assistance that we can.
Danielle Lerner, ABC 15. Arizona.
And we certainly want to welcome Wendy to the ABC 15 team. Obviously, this is just an extraordinary situation we are all facing that requires expertise to navigate this stuff on a daily development as it comes in. And we are confident Wendy will help inform you along the way.